Hi, my name is Suzanne. Today I want to share with you how easy and simple the bFed system is. Finally, a delivery system developed specifically for home tube feeders. There are many times that I need to give my daughter a snack. We were at the doctor's office and it ran late and I was completely unprepared. But then luckily enough, I had looked in my purse and I had the little extension that I needed to be able to give her an easy snack. The connector works with most commercially available juices and pureed snacks. Simply use the Bolink Small cap to connect the pouch to the extension set or feeding tube and squeeze. That's it. To fill the Bolee bag, remove the cap. You can pour your blend right from the blender. The Bolee bag holds up to 375 mils of food. That's a full meal in one bag. I like to fill multiple bags so that they're always ready at mealtime and store them in the fridge. Attach the Bolink with the large cap to the bag. Squeeze the Bolee bag to fill the Bolink. Close the clamp. Attach the Bolink to your feeding tube. Unclamp the Bolink, squeeze the Bolee bag to start your food. If your blend is thick, you may have to squeeze the bag every once in a while to maintain flow. You can fill the same bag with water to provide hydration and make sure all of your nutrition is delivered. Once the bag is empty, reclamp the Bolink. Disconnect from the feeding tube and you're ready to clean your Bolee bag. Just rinse out the Bolee bag, wash with warm soapy water and stand upside down to drain and dry. You should also flush the Bolink tubing in between uses. Just like that. As I said before, I love having these bags on hand so that I always have a meal. I simply pull it out of the fridge and put it in warm water to heat it up. Never put the bag in boiling water or in the microwave to thaw it out. I hope this was helpful. I really love this product. It's amazing, and I know you'll love it too. Click below and get yours ordered today.